What's up guys, it's Matt here. So I'm going to teach you today how to make money online, specifically making $100 a day. I know there are a lot of people that are struggling that are out there, and if you're struggling, you need to find a way to make money. I know a bunch of people that have lost their job and suddenly started to make a lot of money in other areas, and you need to be able to do the same. If you are struggling right now, make sure you listen to every single thing that I have on here. I'll make sure I list the points down below, but make sure you listen to everything that I have to say, because it's not only about understanding what it is, but it's also about knowing how you go about doing those things. So before I get started, make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and get your 2 free stocks with Webull and 1 free stock with Robinhood down below. Now the reason why I said $100, I feel like this is not up to the level that you should be making when it comes to having a job, because if you're making $100 a day online, which means you have to pay taxes on that money, which is around, let's say, 50%, right? So you're gonna pay 50% of that. If you're making $100, you're really only making $50 a day. The reason why I chose $100 is because it's the lower tier, it's more attainable for anybody, and then you can get to the point to where you're making 200. Once you start growing that business or whatever you're doing, you're gonna be able to make a lot more money in the future. Now, the first way that you can make $100 online is by Google AdSense. Now, if you have a website, if you want to build a website, there's a lot of different places to where you can build websites. You can add ads to these websites, and you'll get paid based on how many people see those ads, how many people go to your website and see those ads. Also, YouTube. This is something that I do that you're watching right now, and any ad, like a banner ad, you'll be able to see, and any ad like this, you'll be able to see those ads play, and then what will happen is you will get money from all of those ads that are playing. This is something that I love, obviously, because I'm on YouTube. I can create videos and make money from creating videos, and then also do something that I love when it comes to making videos. But let me tell you, it's not going to happen overnight. If you're going for YouTube, it might take you 3 to 6 months to get monetized, and that's the whole YouTube partnership program that you have to go through. However, with a website, you can actually get those things set up right away and make hundreds of dollars right from the start, depending on how popular your website actually is and how many clicks you get. So I feel like that's a way that you can make a lot of money. Now, right from the start with YouTube, it's going to take you a while, but with YouTube, I think you have a little bit more growth because you create your videos, it gets out to people. YouTube may push it to people. With a website, you physically have to push it to somebody, and YouTube is a great way of pushing your website as well. So make sure you check out Google AdSense. There's a lot of ways that you can go about doing that and making money, making $100 a day or even $200 a day. The next area is affiliate marketing. This is something that I do with Amazon. I have Amazon Associates account. Now, I don't make a ton of money from it because I don't promote it all the time, but for people that promote it, you can make a lot of money from it. Now, the percentages are kind of small. You don't really get a large chunk of money from everything that you sell, but if anybody uses your link to buy anything, you get a portion of it. And depending what they buy, if they buy electronics, you may get like 5%. They buy books, you may get like 1% or 10% or whatever. You're going to get a certain percentage of whatever that price was. And it's a great thing to do, because then you could partner this up with YouTube, you can partner this up with your website, and you'll be able to have your store set up so people can always go to your store and see exactly what you buy. Whether you teach people how to day trade, or you teach people about investing, you teach people how to make money online, you can get people to buy the things that you want them to buy, and it's going to benefit them, and then it's also going to benefit you. You definitely have to create that connection there in order to set something up to make $100 a day. I would say that in my time of doing it, since I haven't pushed like anything, I know that I've only made about $200 in the whole entire time that I've been doing it, because I haven't been pushing things. But I could push something and say, hey, go check out my store. Then they search Amazon and they buy something else. That could be the case, but I'm not saying that. Maybe eventually, when I start to get more things that I'm interested in on Amazon, I don't want to sell people things that I don't want to buy myself. So it's all up to you when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, the next area is online courses. Online courses are great. The reason why I say this is because I see so many YouTubers, so many people do online courses. They create these online courses, they teach people about things, and then they go from there. This is something that I want to do eventually, teach people how to do something. I don't know what, whether it is some sort of trading, some sort of investing, or some sort of credit card course. It just all depends what I feel like doing. But you can create these courses and then people click on these courses. You get paid for these courses. This is definitely a good way of making money. You can make $100 a day. It's easy to set up. The only thing is that you don't want to create something that's subpar, something that you're just making to make money. You want to create something that will be of benefit to them so they can report back and give you a review saying, this is an amazing course. Come check out this course, and somebody else clicks on it. But if you just do it to get views, they're going to click on the course. You're going to have one person pay for it, and then nobody else is going to pay for it because you don't have great reviews on it. So online courses are definitely a great way of doing it. Make sure you check that out. Also, one thing that I used to do and I do occasionally is day trade. Depending on your strategy, you can have a day trading process to where you make $100, $200, $300, $400 a day, depending on how much money you have in your account. And then you can really go from there. I mean, you start to grow as you day trade. Now, a lot of people say you can't make money from day trading. Most people don't know how to day trade. They think that the strategy is very easy and that you go in there, you just trade like a long-term investor, and then you go from there. No, it's not the case. Day traders, real day traders, know what their strategy is. They practice. They put the time in order to do the research and what they need to trade in a 10-minute time span or even in a 1-minute time span. You have to be able to develop a great strategy for day trading, so it takes a lot of research. I have recommendations for books. This is the first time I'm plugging my affiliate marketing store. So I have books down there. If you want to check out those books, they give you the concepts. It's not something that is the best book for day trading. It's the best book for the concepts. You start to really understand how to think as a day trader rather than think as a long-term trader or think as someone that has never traded before. You're thinking just like a day trader with these books. So make sure you go ahead and check those out. You can buy the physical copies or you can go on Audible and they have them on there. That's where I first read them. The next thing you could do is sell something online, and the easiest way of doing that is literally taking something you have and reselling it. People make so much money by doing that. People make money on them selling like a Monopoly game that makes $25 in the store, but they sell it for $35 online. That's the type of thing you could do. You can resell products and you can make a lot of money. Now you can also do this with garage sales. You go to the garage sale, pick up a bunch of things. You go and sell it on eBay or sell it on, I don't know, any other place that you could sell it on, Amazon, and then you can make more money. You can make $100 a day. So it's very simple by doing that. Just kind of sell your stuff. And the last thing that I've seen people do that I just added on here, I didn't want to add a sixth thing, but I know that this is very important. There are people that sell things on Etsy that create things. If you're building things, if you're stitching things, if you can like really stitch clothing, you're good at it. If you can sell clothing, sell different types of merch really well, then that's definitely a way of doing it. You could sell your own product on Etsy or set up your own merchandise website if people like your stuff. So that's one way you can make $100 a day easily by selling products, because a lot of times if you sell clothing, you're going to spend $5 on the clothing that you put together, maybe $10 or so, and then you sell it for $25. So you're making a large margin off of it, and you're going to be able to bring in $15 each product you sell. So you really have to sell less product than going on and getting a bunch of clicks for Google AdSense or getting or doing the research for day trading. That takes a lot of time. So I think that these are 6 solid ways that you can make money. You can make $100 online today. Google AdSense, that's something you really would have to wait with YouTube, but with a website, you can do that today. As long as you set up your website today, you can set up Google AdSense, and then you'll have the ads play on your website, and you'll be fine. So looking at this, you can see that you can make so much money online when it comes to Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, online courses. You have so many ways of making money. This is not the only way. There's a list of 25 to 30 things that you can do in order to make $100 online. So people saying that they physically have to get up and make money by working a job rather than making extra money online, you're wasting your ability. And people that sit there and do absolutely nothing, this is why you see me work so hard here. I upload pretty much every single day. Sometimes I miss a day, but I upload as much as possible. I stream. Anything that I'm doing, I'm looking to make money off of, and also, be able to communicate with my community. This is what is different when it's compared to the average person. You want to make money every single chance you can make money, and ways you can do it: create YouTube videos, create a website. I haven't done that yet. Affiliate marketing, online courses, day trading, all of these different things. And you can find a way to make more money instead of working that 9 to 5 that only gives you a 1% raise every 365 days. With at least YouTube, you can get 5%, 10% raise every single month, 20% raise every single month, depending on what it is. And then your revenue can also go down depending on your video quality. So make sure you take all these to heart and understand what you can do and take action. If you're watching this, take action, seriously. But that's my video, guys. Make sure to hit the like button, make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure that you get your 2 free stocks with Webull down below and 1 free stock with Robinhood. You don't want to miss out on that opportunity. You can get started investing, and then you can get into day trading if you want, or swing trading, or long-term investing. Do what you want with those investments, but it's your money to keep, and it's your money to do something with. And if you want to reinvest it, you can. But that's my video, guys. I'm going to get out of here, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.